In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy and delicious, healthy fruit crumble. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and if there's one thing I love about cooking, I love to trick people into eating something that's healthier than what they actually think it is. And this fruit crumble is the perfect opportunity. It has a variety of fresh fruits and then a crumbly topping. In fact, you can even tell people that it's a cobbler and take it as a dessert somewhere. They won't even know the difference. Oh, this cobbler's delicious. Don't tell them it's healthy. And since it's loaded with fruit and oats and whole grains, it's loaded with fiber. This dish is so popular that my 6-year-old cannot get enough of it, along with my parents and the rest of my family members and friends. I took it to a potluck and I didn't say anything. It was polished off in minutes. So let's do this.
In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine 2 cups blueberries with 1 cup chopped strawberries and 1 cup of chopped Granny Smith apples. Then add ½ tablespoon of arrowroot starch and give it a good mix with your hands or with a spatula. Spread the fruit mixture into the bottom of your baking dish and smooth into an even layer. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats with 1/3 cup brown rice flour, ½ cup of slivered almonds, and ½ tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Give that a good stir. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of honey. Now give that a really good stir. Now we're going to take that topping and spread it on top of the fruit into a very even layer, making sure that all of the fruit is covered. Once that is completely covered, we are ready to bake. Pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. When it's done baking, I like to gently scrape down the sides just a little bit and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes so it'll slightly thicken. Now that it's ready, I'm going to scoop it into my dishes. I've got one dish to eat some now because I am hungry, and the rest I'm going to save for later. This is a great make-ahead meal, especially for a good breakfast. If you are saving these for later and putting them in individual containers, I usually pop mine in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds, just so it's nice and warm when it's time to eat. Cover and store in the fridge for up to 7 days.
It is time for my favorite part of the video, to eat. As you can see, it's in a fancy glass. Not as fancy as Applebee's, but it's fancy. It's got those warm, squishy, sweet fruit with the crumble, the crunchy crumble on top. This is one of my favorites. And it's good for me. Don't tell anybody. Shh. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for many more to come. See you next time.